Here we have a GE front load style dryer. It's gas. The complaint is that it is taking a long time to dry, or sometimes it's no heat. So what we're going to do is I pop the top off. There's just 3 screws that go in, 1, 2, and 3 that pop the panel off, and then there's 2 that take off the top panel. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it on. I'm going to shut the light off so that we can see the igniter glow, which will signify that the igniter's good and your fuses are good. If the fuses were bad, the igniter would not glow. So I'm just going to put it on a quick time dry here. You can hear that fuse pop in the back there when it turns on. So we'll look down here and see that orange there start glowing, and it will probably ignite. But a lot of times when your gas coils get weak, it's going to take a lot longer for it to actually ignite, which it did just ignite. So we checked the airflow outside already, and the airflow is good. As you can see here on the back, pop that off, you can see straight out there, so we know that's good. We can feel it going out, so we know the airflow is good, because airflow can really contribute to long dry times, but in this particular case, we're gonna have to go ahead and replace the gas coils.